Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. This is from VIPCrossStitch. This is part 1 of 2. Next Sunday will be part 2. So let's see what we have. We have pre-stamped cross stitches and it's coming in this kind of a bag for this one. Hang on, if I can get everything out of the bag. Kind of like those bags, we're going to get used to them and then they'll go back to the others. So this one is a stained glass butterfly, and I'm sorry I can't insert a picture because I just don't know how. This one was $14.87 and it's a 60 by 55. Let's see what this printed paper looks like. I don't see any smears or smudges. Yay! And it has 40 colors. Beautiful, gorgeous. Yes, we have lots of colors in this. So it has 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823, no 939, no 3371. Does have 3865, which is white, but this is very nicely printed. There's a couple little blotches just right in that lighter area, but nothing that's gonna bother anything. Does have the product number, how big it is here. And down here, it says it's 190 by 255 stitches. So, yeah. But the rest of it is very nicely printed. Just a little bit of something in here, but you know that those are those colors. Oh, I love this. I just absolutely thought it was stunning. It's just, can you imagine doing that picture in a stained glass? That would take forever. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It does come with a toolkit. Get it all shook down. We have a leopard. And we have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Oh, yeah. Well, let's take a look. Just a minute. Oh, we don't have 5 needles. We have, I think there's 6 needles in there, actually. Got an extra one. And a threader. I thought we had 2 threaders when I saw that. So, very nice. Let's take a look at what else we have. We have an instruction page, like we normally do. Very nice. For those that have never done it, it's awesome. It does have the sticker that says it's 50 by 65. This is a product number. Will match paper pattern and canvas. So, yeah, I like that they throw them all together there. Keep them in a bag. Let's get them out of this bag. We have a few extra hanks. So, we got 310. I want to make sure they were all 310. So, there's 3 skeins. That's 120 strands of 310 black. We have this beautiful gold. And it is 3820. Very pretty. Gorgeous. I don't know if these are the same. We'll check it out. That's number 900. So there's lots of that orange. It's like an orangish red. It's showing up more orange here. But it's got like this color into it, so it dulls down the orange. Very pretty. And we have a 902, which is a beautiful deep dark brick red. Very pretty. Let's see what else we got in here. If I can get it all shook it out. Shooka. Everybody's going 6 ways from Sunday. So you have your 3/865 and 3/866. And then we have some grays and some greenish. I don't know. It's like a khaki color. Kind of a dark green, blue, pinks. Beautiful. And then we have bright, bright colors over here. Bright pink, bright yellow. That's the one that we have the hank for, that has a single strand there. And these two, too, are what we have an extra hank of. So very nice. Just beautiful. Just love all those bright jewel tone looking colors. Gorgeous. Let's take a look. Hang on, gotta move everybody out of the way. I have a feeling this will be a little bit bigger. So it's kind of wide. Let me get it undone. It is serged all the way around. Top part's very nicely printed. Let me just hold it as close as I possibly can get it. But very nicely printed, nice and dark, easy to see. Like all these little areas. Number one is that dark blue. So yeah, there is a lot of that. Let's flip it over. Very nicely printed. This would be a good kit for a beginner because there's bigger areas to stitch. There's not a lot of confetti at all. I mean, it's like around things. Like, let me show you. Bend it. Can you see how right in here around that there's like individual, it's like the outskirts of it, but you have these big areas, but the outskirt has, there's two there, or two symbols that go around here, but up in here there's like 4 or 5 that go around the edges. So it's just splattered everywhere, you know, just individual, like, I don't know. It's odd. I've never seen that. Just really weird. But I do like the bigger areas, you know. Makes you look like you're getting somewhere. It looks more stained glass than many that I have seen. Sorry, I'm going to unfold it just so I can... But, sorry, I got it right in front of the light there. Hang on. We got 40 things going over here. There we go. Let's see how big this is. It is 65, just a little bit over 65 centimeters. And this way, it is 50 centimeters. Actual picture size is about 17 1/4 or 43.5 centimeters. And this way, it is 23 inches or 58.5. But yeah, I like this. I'm excited. I'm excited, you know. Yeah, that it has nice big areas. Just beautiful. That butterfly is huge, ginormous. I mean, it must be 14 inches across. Oh, heck, it's more than that. From wing to wing at the top, it's 16 inches. And then it goes down to, in the middle, about 13 inches. So it's huge. But it's gorgeous. I like this. See, I think this is what I expected on all the other stained glasses. You know, where it had the individual colors. You know what I'm trying to say? Love it. Love it. We'll have to start it. It's kind of a stiff canvas too. I don't know if I told you that. Now this next one I thought was stunning. Just stunning. And this one was, it's a 35 by 60, and it was $9.30. Get everybody out of the bag. We're back to crunchy. You're going to love this. I mean, the teals are just outrageous. Look at that fox. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. And it's only a 35 by 60, so it's long and skinny. But I just love all this rivers and of color, and the teals and the blues. So it has a nice paper pattern. Product number, how big it is? It's 126 by 234. Let's see what the our paper looks like. It does not have, well, it's got a little bit right up in here, but it's not affecting the pattern part of it at all. This has 42 colors, guys. 42 colors. I saw this and just went nuts. I love the blue, the complementary colors of the blue and the oranges and the teals. Gorgeous. This has no 310 black. I want you to know that. It has 154, which is a mulberry, 498, which is a brick red, no 550 purple. It does have 823, 939, no 3371, and no 3865. But yeah, for the most part, this pattern is spot on, except for these yellow-orange parts right here. But it's not going to affect it. You know this whole thing is going to be yellow. Or not yellow. It's the yellow symbol. I'm sorry, but it'll be 747 color. But yeah. Seems that the yellow has issues. I don't know. Yellow and oranges. But everything else is nice and clear. So I'm happy with that. I usually don't use mine, but if you do need to use it, you can contact the company and they will give you a link where you can go and get the pattern or see it. Some of them have a QR code. There's no QR code on this, but otherwise they just give you a link and you go to it and it's the actual pattern. So you can either copy it off if you want or just download it to stay on your computer. So if you need to refer to it back and forth, you don't have to print it out. So, yeah. This comes with a toolkit. We have the leopard again, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And it comes with its own bag. 35 by 60, and the product number, paper pattern, product number, year, and the canvas will all match. Okay. Get that out of the bag. So you have a hank of 939, mainly in the ears and like under his chin. I'm trying. Okay, let's take a look at these gorgeous colors. I'm expecting gorgeousness and yummies. Look at the teals and the blues and the gold. Ugh. And we have some mochas over here. This is spectacular. Just spectacular. Is that not gorgeous? Could just eat it up. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep. Yum, yum, yum. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. I love that blue. Isn't that pretty? These are, there isn't a color in this. It's not gorgeous. I'm sorry. Love my teals, my blues. Is that not yummy? Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Put that right there so it doesn't get lost. Let's take a look at the canvas. Get it to lay down flat. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's going to be long and skinny. It is serged all the way around. Very nice key. Very easy to read symbols or see symbols. There's going to be confetti. We just can't get past it, so. But just absolutely blue. Beautiful. I don't see any smears or smudges or anything. Nice pattern. And it's 11 count. Everything should be big enough for everybody to see. If not, you can use a magnifying glass. There's no shame. Not at all. 42 colors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see how big this puppy is. Kind of like these skinny ones. They're easy to hang on to, you know, and stitch. So it is 59.5 centimeters that way. This way is 34.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 11.25 inches or 28.5 centimeters by oh, let's call it a little over 53.5 centimeters and a little over 21 inches, just a tad. But yeah, I just yeah, love it. And this one's a little bit thinner fabric than the last one, so it must be the new fabric, but love it. Just love it. And there is confetti, you know, like where all that detail is, like right down the center of his, I don't know if you can see that, hang on. See right where the pink, right in here, there's confetti, just sprinkled here, there, and everywhere. But yet there's bigger places. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh. Yep, we'll have to start this one. Now, VIPCrossStitch right now is having a 50% off sale. So when you go to their site, click on VIPCrossStitch.com. It'll come up and it'll say 50% off. And it's going to be an unlimited time, but there is an entire section once you click on that of all these products that are 50% off. Now, they do not have diamond painting or paint by number. It is only stitching things like embroidery, cross stitch, punch needle, that kind of thing. So, but they always have a lot to choose from. I have ordered from them personally. Very good customer service, so do check them out. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for sending me these beautiful kits this week. I don't know which one to start first. Oh, we'll just start them both. What the heck, right? Yeah, because I got to get into that teal, and I got to do the other thing too. So, yeah, look for some stitch with me. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.